Alright, so the internet seems to love lawnmowers. Brent's got this old lawnmower, and we're like, boys, we're fucking up by not doing something with this. So we're looking at building our lower drift lawnmower with Brent's dad's old one. So we've got this new XT1. We got the old Cub Cadet LXD 1050. It's time to turn this thing into a drifter. So get out of here! Hammer down!
What do you want to take apart?
Okay, so the general thought process is we gotta undo this so we can drop these spindles out, unbolt this center pin, like flip and reverse, and then they swap sides and almost get installed backwards but in the same orientation.
Look, you can do anything with a welder.
Yes. Just taking some redneck engineering. But
You'd think I would know what all this shit was by now, but I don't. I expect you to, but... Did you label your drawers, Vinny?
Well, no.
Please, Brents have hints.
Yeah. What is this? Imperial? What they actually used from standard on this bitch?
I think they did.
You mean you used American sizes? God damn.
Well, this is back when we actually made it in America.
Sit on your pitch for that. Grown out of that onesie yet?
That's one customer phone?
Yeah. I'm gonna need it back in 9 months.
Really?
Yeah.
That's serious?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you. Alright guys, so obviously short video for you this week. If you are interested in this lawnmower project, please hit that subscribe button. If you are ready to see more of the truck content with the pre-runner back on the channel, don't worry, next week we will be pulling the engine, and so next week video will be on the White Knight pre-runner. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and leave a comment. I've been with Caswell Customs. We'll see you in the next one.
No, pretty Caroline, oh, 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 oh,